friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a box of the world's smallest toys. Okay, we're gonna open this one first.
Okay, I'll open it. Open it.
I'll open it, okay?
Open it.
I ripped it. Looks like it has teeth. Okay. Let me cut it first and then you could get it. What is it, Chrissy?
One eternity later.
A camera.
On the first try, we got the Polaroid camera.
Got this.
Let's put it right here.
The
Okay, next
one.
one. Let's do this one. Okay.
I'm going. I got that. I got
Okay,
that.
next one.
Come on, Kate.
Okay, here you go. We got
Another one.
Polaroid camera.
Another one? Okay.
One for you and one for me.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Oh, we're gonna do this one, not that one.
Open it.
Okay.
Perhaps?
Let's see. Who did we get?
Okay. Okay, I'll open this first.
Yeah. Another
Bruh.
Polaroid camera.
Yes.
Wow, we already have 3.
What?
That makes me wonder if these all are
This one.
Polaroid cameras. Okay, let me open this.
Nothing. Let's try this. I didn't put
It felt small, so I don't think it's a.
I got that
Another one. It's a doodle top.
one. Blue top.
Whoa.
Nice.
One try. Okay,
Oh
now we're
my
gonna
gosh, got that one.
put the next one.
Next one.
You excited?
Next one. Next one.
Let's see. What did we get? Here we go.
What is it? A blue one.
Blue what? It's another one, but it's a different color. It's blue. Do you want to try it? Good job.
Okay,
Put it
next
next to
one.
it. Okay.
I got the yellow one. The yellow one.
You think it's gonna be another one but yellow?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. I don't think it's one. Feels different.
Dun, dun, dun.
There we go. Oh, it's a yo-yo.
Okay.
Small yo-yo.
Small yo-yo.
No.
Spin it.
You don't spin it. Okay, let's put it over here.
Okay, next one. Next one.
We'll do this one.
All of them. Hold on. Another one. Which one got B?
I'm not sure.
Okay, not sure. It's the yo-yo. That one yo-yo.
I think it's a yo-yo.
Where is the camera?
It's a Polaroid.
camera.
Another one.
Camera.
Yes, Yes, I did. I got it.
We already have 4.
Okay, and another one. That one's yo-yo. That one's yo-yo. That one's yo-yo.
Okay.
Scissors.
Scissors. I think I know what it is.
Another yo-yo.
It's another one?
Another yo-yo.
It's a red yo-yo.
Red yo-yo. How's that green one yo-yo?
So we have 4 of these, 2 yo-yos, and 2 doodle cups. Okay, let's see what
Right
this
there,
is.
2 yo-yos.
I wonder if it's another one of these. Any of these.
Yeah, why that one?
I don't think it's any of these. It feels very different. What is it? What is this? Oh! You can turn it and then it draws. That's cool. Let's put it over here.
Okay. Oh, it's right there, right there. Right there. Look at a yo-yo. Okay, so, there you go.
Okay.
This thing the yo-yo or the camera? Which one? Yo-yo?
Not sure. Okay, here we go. What is it?
This one?
Oh, it's the little green.
This one?
The little green army men. There's a bunch of them.
This one?
Is there more? Wow, a bunch. Drop them all out.
Another yo! With all of them.
Put them so many.
So many. So many though.
Okay, let's put it over here.
This one. This one.
See that one? Okay.
I think a car. A car or the camera. A car?
You think it's a car?
Yep. Car.
Okay. I think I know what it is.
What?
More army?
Army.
Wow, more.
Army.
We'll just put them over here with the other ones. A bunch of little army men. Okay, let's do this.
That one.
What could it be this time?
Hey.
Here we go.
Another one.
Are you sure?
Yep, there's another one.
Let's see.
There's another one.
It
There's that
is.
one.
Put it right here.
Okay. There's another one.
Put it right
There's
there.
that one.
Let's do this one.
That one.
Hmm.
There's another that one.
Here we go.
Top wheel.
Oh, it's a little car.
Car.
Want to show everybody?
Oh, it's a little car too. I found it.
Wait a minute. Look.
Look.
Okay, let's put it
Another
right
that.
there.
Okay, another one. It's another car. It's a car.
Small little green car.
A little green car. Cup.
Very, very small than usual Hot Wheels.
Little cup wheel.
Here you go.
It's the yo-bro.
Oh, it's a very, very small Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
Let's put it right over here next to Hot Wheels.
Okay, another one, this one.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. What do you think it is?
Yep. So,
What do you think it is, Jason?
the copy, okay.
Another Hot Wheel?
Yep.
Let's see.
Look at these. Another one.
Okay.
Another copy.
Okay, let's see what the car looks like.
A copy of the blue
it's the blue
one.
one.
There's the blue one there, like a green
Put
one.
it next to right here.
Another copy.
Okay. Next one. What could it be, Grayson? You don't know?
Okay.
I don't know too.
Here.
Here we go.
Where you bro? Like that one.
Are you sure?
Another one.
It's another Rubik's Cube. Very, very small.
That one. Another one.
Let's put it right there.
Okay.
Okay, another one. This is very fun,
So
right?
many down.
So many.
So many down ones. Like
What could it be? What could it be? What do you think it is? Here we go.
I see.
Okay, you can take it out. What's this? What is this?
A Corky. A
It's
Corky
a
one.
horse and I'm not sure what this is.
It's the green one. It's the orange one.
Let's put it over here.
Another one.
I'm not sure why the horse is like that, but oh well. Oh well. Okay, let's do this one. What do you think this is?
I know. What's that?
Could it be? I wonder what it is.
Another copy.
Are you sure?
Another. It's copy.
Really? You need help there? No?
Another copy. The red one.
It's a red Hot Wheel.
The red Hot Wheel.
Yeah,
And
that's
then you
3
got-
Hot Wheels.
The Hot Wheels. There's another one.
Okay.
It's Thursday. Thursday.
Three?
Yep. It's no Thursday. It's nice.
Okay. This. What is it? It's like a ball.
Oh, another one.
It's a magic 8 ball.
Oh,
Put it right over here.
another
Little
one,
green
yeah.
army man doing over here?
Another one, though. That one. Another one.
Okay, our first magic 8 ball.
Another copy.
What is this going to be? Here we go.
Another thing.
Another thing.
It's another
It's
thingy.
another one.
Put what there?
Here,
There's so many of them.
so many of them.
So many of them. What's it gonna be?
There's only 3 boxes left.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Here's the girl.
It's a girl.
Another girl.
Oh, it's a Barbie.
Barbie.
Okay, let's put it. Let's make her sit down and put her over here.
Okay. Everyone. 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 Everyone.
Okay.
And the scissors. Kind of bee.
Okay, here you go.
And then purple. It's another one.
Oh, it's another Magic 8 Ball. Put it over here. Only one box left, Grayson. Only one more.
Hey. Where's the got this? Another one. Another one.
Okay. See what this is.
Yes.
What is this?
Mm.
What is that?
Another
Oh, another Barbie.
Another Barbie.
They're different.
This is another one.
The other Barbie.
Okay.
They're the same, but they're both Barbies, but they don't look the same. Okay. What could this one be? Is it going to be different, or is it going to be the same as one of these? What do you think? There you go.
Then that one.
Which one? Let's see.
This one.
Another Magic 8 Ball. Well, we already have 3.
Another one.
Okay, this is all of our toys.
Another one.
Okay,
Another one.
Grayson.
Another one.
Toys.
Another one.
Grayson, what was your favorite one? Was it the Rubik's Cubes, the little Army Man, or the Hot Wheels?
And this one.
You like the Hot Wheels?
Yep.
My
Yeah.
favorite ones are the Polaroid cameras.
Okay.
And there's 4 of them.
I'll read it.
Leave it there, Grayson.
I'll read it.
What was your favorite one? Leave it in the comments below. Bye, friends. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Grayson, say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe.